Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how I start and finish a photo shoot and how I come up with the idea. For this shoot, I'm shooting food, and because I'm not a professional cook, I just wanted to do something very simple. So I picked 3 ingredients, which is apple, ricotta cheese, and bread. Caramelized apple with ricotta cheese. Then I added some brown sugar. So the first time I actually cooked that, it wasn't the best in the pictures. I had to redo it the next day. But then I added some cinnamon. You really have to, because I wanted the color of the apple to be more of kind of red but also orange. And the first time I cooked it, it was a bit dark, so I had to recook it again. Added all-purpose flour on top because I wanted some contrast. I took a raw picture before I used the ingredients. So how I cut the bread so that you can see the crumbs, and then I added all the ingredients, which is ricotta cheese, the caramelized apple, and then I added some raw apples in the picture. I also like to add props, which is fabrics. Sometimes could be any like spoon, anything related to the subject. You don't want to overuse props. What I want to do is a flat lay, a 45 angle, and a holding shot. 3 composition, which is the best kind of composition when it comes to food. It's more appealing to the eye, and the first one is flat lay. I kept the bread there, and I added the fabric. Always use some layers whenever you're shooting. Try to keep a lot of layers. And if you can see that board, it's not a table, it's actually just a board from Home Depot. Plate is ready. I added some greens in there and blueberries. You kind of want to tell a story while you're taking the picture, so I added a book, glasses, things that will be around you when you're actually having a breakfast in the morning. Another tip, whenever you're shooting with your phone, make sure you have the grid on as well. Make sure you have a natural light window. As you can see in the picture, I have a very big window. And make sure to turn off your lights. Make sure you have all white walls. You don't have any red wall that casting any tint on your food. If you like this video, like and share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.